Hi, are you interested to learn about hacking? Then please do watch this video. In this video, I am going to explain the basic environmental setup that is required for hacking. We are going to use an Kali Linux operating system for ethical hacking. This will be helpful for you to learn and be secure and safe. To create an environment, I am going to use an Vmware Workstation to install a Kali Linux VM. If you are not sure and not aware of Vmware Workstation, please do watch my previous video. I have attached the link in my description box. Okay, this is Venkat. Let us start now. In your browser, search for Kali Linux download. Select the link as shown on the screen. A new page will be opened. Scroll down to the bottom. Here select and Vmware Kali Linux for Vmware. Now select the 64-bit Kali Linux for downloading. Enter the path. I am going to save this in a desktop and click on save. Meanwhile, open the Vmware Workstation. Click on start and search for Vmware Workstation. I have already installed this. If you have not installed, please do watch my previous video to install a Vmware Workstation. I have attached the link in the description box. Now the download has been completed. Open the desktop. Here I am going to extract this file. The file has been saved as a zip file. To extract, I am using a 7-zip. Once the file is extracted, click on the folder and then you could able to see the disk files that are available for virtual machine and also a configuration file .vmx file. Now open the Vmware Workstation, click on open virtual machine, go to the file path and select the vmx file as shown in the screen. Now the virtual machine has been added in the Vmware Workstation. Now I am going to do a power on. Oh, this error will appear if the configuration is not in proper manner. So I am going to do right click of this virtual machine and select settings. In the settings, select an option . In option, select general. You could able to see the list of available operating systems. Here this falls under Linux operating system. Select that and click on OK. Now the virtual machine is opening. You have to select move this file since you have downloaded from the internet. This will show all the available external hard disk or a pen drive or even a Wi-Fi driver. It will take some time to log in. Once the virtual machine has been loaded, you need to log in. For the login detail, go to the page where you have downloaded and as you could see, the username is Kali and password is Linux. Password is Kali, sorry. Now the virtual machine has been loaded and you could be able to see the Kali Linux. On the top left corner you could be able to see the applications tab. Click on that and you could be able to see the list of tools and applications that are available in a Kali Linux VM machine. you could able to see n number of applications for different purposes. Each applications and each tools were for different use. In my next video, I am going to explain about basics of hacking, and we are going to do a practical session. Thank you for watching this video. Please do like, share and subscribe, and please do comment if you have any doubts.